Hello, and welcome to a 2-minute tutorial on how to use ProQuest. Start by going to the Wishart Library homepage and click on Databases. Then click on P, then click on ProQuest. As you can see, ProQuest automatically takes you to the Advanced Search page. Click here to create a My Research account, or click here to sign in. Once you've signed in, you can save your search by clicking here. Name your search and click Save. You can find your saved searches here. To temporarily save specific sources, select your sources and click the File folder. To permanently save them, click the File cabinet icon. To view your saved items, click here. At any point, you can click on ProQuest to bring you back to the main page. ProQuest is actually an umbrella database containing multiple smaller databases. Click here if you would like to select specific databases. You can view the databases by name or by subject, and select which databases you would like to search. You can always go back and make changes if you'd like. ProQuest also gives you the option to search by publication. Click here. You can search by subject, language, publisher, database, source type, or by title. Now, let's play around with Advanced Search. It's a lot like Advanced Search in Omni, but with a few differences. For example, ProQuest has a thesaurus option, which helps you to find search terms. Click on Thesaurus, select a thesaurus from the list, and then either search for a term or browse terms. Once you select a search term, ProQuest will offer choices of both broader and narrower search terms that you can use in your search. Advanced Search offers a lot of choices of where to search for your keywords. For example, you could search full text, everywhere except full text, or one of my favorites, search the abstract. And you can also filter your search by source type, document type, or language. And once you've run your search, you can filter the results further, just like in Omni. And that's a basic overview on how to use ProQuest. Thanks for watching.